Hi, let us introduce you to mechanics, a section of virtual physics labs. All equipment is located on a panel on the left. Click or tap the image to read the object's description. Drag an item to create a copy. Some objects have a constructor where you can adjust their properties beforehand. Please note that the objects created on the tabletop cannot be lifted, tipped over, or rotated. To rotate any other object, hold down the left mouse button while rotating the mouse wheel, or hold it with one finger while moving the second around. If you want to remove an object, drag it to the top left or right corner of the workspace. It will be highlighted in red and a bin icon will appear in the corner. To clear the scene, press a button below the workspace. The items can be combined. Some items don't have default connectors, but they can be added in the constructor. For example, let's add a basic support rod and add a dynamometer. Then we'll add a weight, and then a wooden ball with an activated connector. Thus, we can join more than two objects. You can rotate items while connecting them. You can also adjust the height of the holder using its handle. Some objects have interactive zones that can be used to change their properties or state. For example, you can open the holder, change the length of the inclined plane, control the stopwatch, or change the length of a pendulum. Some objects have a transmitter that helps trigger their actions in a specified order. A transmitter activates the functionality of an object when it receives a signal and emits a signal when the action is done. Let's measure the time of freefall. We need to adjust the channels on corresponding transmitters. Starting the stopwatch will activate the first channel and release the object from the height fixator. Touch detector will use the second channel to finish time management. Fast-moving objects can be easily caught if the time is stopped. For example, you can press pause and grab the pendulum. The time will start again, but the pendulum will be left in your hands. You can use a ruler to measure distances. It can be located anywhere, rotated and scaled. There is also an instrument that allows drawing lines on the table or dynamometer if it was created without a scale on it. You might want to create a save point during an experiment, in case something goes wrong, or if you want to repeat the experiment several times, then you'll be able to load a saved state. Press the I button in the top right corner to enter the info mode. A round button will appear next to every object. Click it to see a label with extra information. Stay with us. Keep exploring, and remember, physics can be truly exciting.